Hello friends, welcome to L for Learning. My name is Jayakrishnan and I'll be the host for the day. Today we'll be learning a small trick on MS Word because we do create a lot of documents where the text has to be reused again and again and again. But the problem that we face is that we have the template but we forget where the template is. And it takes a very good amount of time when we want to search those if it is in an unordered format. If it is unordered. If, say, those data that we are looking out is actually available in Word itself, where just with a single click and we get the whole data. Let's see how to get that. So I have created a sample file. So here on my desktop, there is a small sample file. I'll just open it up. As we see here, that currently I do not have any data, but say I just simply put up a random data. Hello. Subject. Scheduling interview. I'll just underline this and make these as bold. That should do. I'll just press and enter. The underline. Just use a random function. Open the bracket, close the bracket, and enter. So I get a sample data. Now this is just a dump data that's provided by Microsoft. Let's see what is the trick. So I'll just complete the format over here. So I'll just give it my name. That is thanks and regards by, sorry for that, let's correct the spelling. Thanks and regards, my name, and there it is. Let's put my initials as well. That's the name that I'm known by many people. Now, so this is the data that I normally use to create each and every day. Now, there might be an instance where I have to actually write down. So I'll just put an underscore over there. So I'm just putting as of now random places with underscores. So just to demonstrate a sample HR letter. It can be any document. It does not have to be a letter. It can be a document that you have to send day in, day out. Now here's the trick. Once your data is prepared, rather than saving into a template, there's another way. Simply select this data, either by using Control A or simply select and drag it down further till the last line. Once the selection is done, simply go to the Insert tab, and from the Insert tab to the right, there's an option that says Quick Parts. This is one of the best options that I have ever come across. Once I click onto it, it gives me a small drop down which has multiple options, of which Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. Once I click onto it, it will prompt a small interface, or rather a small window, which does require some headings and the title. So I'll just write in a simple one, that's HR letter. That will be the heading which I will be using for future for me to understand that this is what I'm wanting. Then where do I want to store it? So there are multiple options, of which the one I'll be using is Quick Parts. Then the category will be General. And if there is any kind of description that you would like to inform the other person who will be using this, then the description and so on. Once the detail is completely done, just simply click OK, and there it is. And let me show you the magic. I delete it, or rather, let me open a new file. So I've just done Control N to create a new one. Now I need those document over here, or those paragraphs over here. Simply, I'll just go to Insert, again to the same option, that is Quick Parts. Now, as you can see, the option is just available in the font itself. As soon as I click, the exact same data paste with the exact formatting. Isn't that fast? It has actually saved a lot of time of typing and rather hunting down for the data. In case if you don't want this written down data anymore and you want to delete it from the actual data source, that is the list, simply go to the Insert option, Quick Parts, then click onto Building Blocks Organize. Once clicked onto it, from the given list, we just have to search down for the data that I've given. And in my case, I have named this HR letter. So I just click inside and just write HR. And there it is, the letter is available. I select it and I'll just click on delete in case if I don't want it. And so on. There are many options available which you can try out. Just click onto it and you can see the outcome to the right. Now, if you don't want it, simply you may delete it. In case if you want to insert it, you can click on the insert option. Once done, simply close the panel. And there you go. So guys, hope you like this video? If so, please do click on the subscribe button at the bottom and do also click on the bell icon. Until then, keep practicing. See you. Take care. Bye-bye.